Hi, it's Julie here from Renovating Made Easy, and today I want to share with you another valuable free tool for you to use when searching for a property to renovate for profit. One of the biggest stresses associated with flipping houses is actually the sale process at the end of your completed project. No doubt you would have experienced challenges that you needed to solve throughout the renovation, but it's when you get to the point of handing over your beautiful completed project to an agent to sell for you that there's nothing left for you to do except for sit and wait and hope and pray. It's completely out of your control at this point, and this can be really stressful. So to alleviate this stress, firstly, before you even buy, you want to make sure that you're buying in a suburb where houses aren't taking too long to sell. But how do you find this out? Well, you can talk to agents, you can monitor the market yourself, but I'm going to show you a quick and easy way of finding out exactly how long houses are taking to sell in your particular suburb. So I'm going to share my screen with you and show you a couple of different websites to go to. So first of all, we're going to go to your investment property magazine website, and which I've showed you before in previous videos. So first of all, let's have a look at a suburb, Secret Harbour, and search. So I've decided to look for suburbs where the median price is less than 500,000, so that we're looking in suburbs that are around the median house price. So as you scroll down the page, you can see here days on market, and it tells you that houses in Secret Harbour are taking 92.44 days to sell. So do you know whether this is a long time or a short time in comparison to the rest of Perth? Well, let's have a look on rewa.com.au, and they have a little graph on here which is Perth listings and average selling days. So at the moment, their latest data for December 2017 says that the average selling days is 63 for Perth. So Secret Harbour is taking longer to sell than the average for Perth. So let's have a look at a couple of other suburbs in that price bracket. Coolbellup, and scroll down and we can see that Coolbellup's taking a little bit quicker to sell than Secret Harbour at pretty much 88 days. Still more than the average for Perth. So let's just have a look at another suburb. Let's just choose Edgewater today. And still median price is less than 500,000. But the average selling days or average days on market for Edgewater is 53. So it looks like Edgewater is a suburb in Perth that is taking, that houses are taking not too long to sell compared to the median or average selling days of 63. So that's just another little quick tool which gives you some really great insight as to how long houses are taking to sell, because you don't want to stretch out that sale process once you've completed your project. I've created a nice little worksheet for you to download. You can just look under the video and download that, and it will give you a table of being able to choose different suburbs and compare how quickly houses are selling. So it will help you choose a suburb for you to do your next house flip in. I hope you've enjoyed that. Let me know and have a great day. Bye.